Is Rocket Money negotiation legit? Intro. Hook. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your monthly bills? Stressed about credit card debt? Or simply wished there was a magical solution to your financial woes? Well, today we're diving into a popular tool that claims to do just that, Rocket Money. Context: you've probably seen their ads, promising to negotiate your bills and save you hundreds of dollars. But is it all too good to be true? Let's find out. What is Rocket Money? Explanation: Rocket Money is a personal finance app that offers a range of features, including bill tracking, budgeting, and, most notably, bill negotiation. Their claim is simple: they'll negotiate with your creditors to lower your monthly payments. How it works: we'll break down the step-by-step process of using Rocket Money. From connecting your bank accounts to selecting bills for negotiation, we'll guide you through the entire experience. The negotiation process. Behind the scenes, what actually happens when you hand over your bills to Rocket Money. We'll explore the negotiation tactics they employ and the potential outcomes. Success stories: have people actually saved money using Rocket Money? We'll share real-life examples of users who have successfully negotiated lower bills. Case studies: but what about the people who haven't seen significant savings? We'll delve into some case studies where the results weren't as promising. Is Rocket Money worth it? Pros and cons: let's weigh the advantages and disadvantages of using Rocket Money. From the convenience of the app to the potential risks involved, we'll provide a balanced perspective. Cost considerations: Rocket Money offers a free plan, but there's also a premium subscription. Is the extra cost justified? We'll explore the features and benefits of each plan. Alternatives to Rocket Money. DIY negotiation: if you're not comfortable handing over your bills to a third party, we'll show you how to negotiate with your creditors yourself. Other bill negotiation services: are there any other companies that offer similar services to Rocket Money? We'll compare and contrast the options available. Conclusion. Final thoughts: based on our analysis, is Rocket Money a legitimate tool for saving money on your bills? We'll provide our final verdict. Call to action: whether you decide to give Rocket Money a try or explore other options, we encourage you to take control of your finances and negotiate for better deals. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.